All right, you ready? Try to call Brother Khaziq first. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. All right, testing.
Hey, there you go.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullah. How are you? Hello, dengar ke?
Alhamdulillah, fine.
Okay.
Hear me, eh?
Okay, here. All right, no problem. Okay, the sound check is good. All right, first of all, Assalamualaikum and a very good evening to all of you. For those who are joining us from Khaziq Instagram, welcome to our segment. And for those who are joined from IFSC, IIUM Instagram, so welcome to. Wait, I think my face too big. Let me. All right. Okay. All right. How are you doing?
Mi ke penonton?
Brother Khaziq lah.
Alhamdulillah, for now I'm still in IIUM.
I see.
As a volunteer, serving for the community with others volunteer. And yeah, usually at night I'm free, so that's why I accept your pelawaan.
Yeah, the invitation. All right. First of all, we would like to thank to Brother Khaziq for willingness to join and accept the invitation to go live with all of us, because it's not easy to invite Brother Khaziq due to his fact of the schedule. And as I know, he also one of the volunteer for this RMO in our university. So thank you for your kindness. All right, so this evening we have a session, sharing session called Why Islamic Finance. Right, so that is our topic for this evening. And then why we come up with this topic, because we want to grab and derive the why and awareness about the potential in Islamic finance, and maybe for our youngster who are just high school leavers who want to pursue in their degree or in their future for their career. So maybe they have some knowledge and consider for their consideration to pursue Islamic finance in the future. So basically, for those a bit intro lah, who is Brother Khaziq is actually. So maybe who are just new, maybe some of you who just joined this Instagram didn't know much about Brother Khaziq. For those who are IUM itself already know who is Brother Khaziq. Okay, actually I post recently about our poster. Some of my friends in Kuantan also knew you.
Allah.
Yeah. He
I think because my hometown at Kuantan lah.
Yeah. This is one of your primary school colleague.
Whose name?
Ashraf and Farisha. But I didn't know lah.
Ashraf
and Farisha. SK Sungai Isak.
Farisha.
Yeah, SK
I see. I think I recognize them.
Alright. Okay, so Brother Khaziq is one of our SRC member for 18 and 19 session. Okay, guys. But there is the previous channel. So for the time being, we don't have SRC anymore. We just have the Indian Union. So this is what we call it the last channel for the SRC. So it's such an honor to have you in our session. So basically, for your information, Brother Khaziq is a final year in Islamic finance. So, okay, first question. Why did you pursue in Islamic finance, brother?
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum to all viewers, and also to our brother moderator here, Brother Sharif. Okay. Firstly, I think I just saw Madam Fadilah just now. So welcome, Madam Fadilah.
Welcome.
and all friends. So I think for tonight we just have like a sharing session lah.
Yes.
I'm not the only one who will talk. Sharif also will give his opinions, and also from the audience.
Yes.
So basically, the question is why I'm taking Islamic finance as a degree, right? So actually, I can divide it into basically two parts lah. So the first part is my history on Islamic finance itself. Okay, firstly, during my school days,
I see.
there was a senior from IUM
Wow.
who was taking Islamic finance during that time and give a lecture during that day. So that was the first day I'm heard about the term Islamic finance itself lah. Because before this we heard of the finance.
Yeah.
The term Islamic finance I think is quite new in this industry compared to the conventional one. And then one of the other reason I think because of my deep interest in the Arabic terms in Islamic finance itself. Because although our student in KNMS is I think level 2 right for APT.
Yes, level 2.
Level 2, but although me also level 2, but I want to know more about the Islamic or Arabic terms in this Islamic finance, such as I think the most basic one is about the ribawi items, by al-inah and so on, right? Even the riba terms itself are said few times in the Quran. We can see in the Surah Al-Baqarah. I think Al-Baqarah verse 275 until 279, the whole page. Allah said, "Wa halallahu al-bay' wa harrama" sections. But Allah haram the riba. So why? So this is one of the things that I curious lah. And then we go to the other verse. He said, I'm not sorry, I forgot about the Arabic term, but the translation said someone who give or receive riba, the person like declaring a war with Allah and the Rasul. So basically riba is an important thing. So me myself are really eager to know what is the riba and so on. And then we can, that's for the theory part lah, I can say. So we move to the data, the numerical data and so on. I have the opportunity to look few data before this evening. So what I found is in one journal, it said that this is for the macro level of the Islamic banking.
Alright.
They said that Islamic banking is the largest sector in the Islamic finance industry, contributing to 71%, or basically US dollar 1.72 trillion. So we have Islamic finance. In the Islamic finance we have sukuk, we have Islamic banking, we have takaful and so on.
Alright.
And then Islamic banking is the major part. This is what are the happening in the global situation right now lah for the Islamic finance. And then for the data that I can recall is before that I want to disclaimer that all of this data is taken before the MCO period of course, because the COVID happened and then we might see different forecasts, right? So one of the data also said that every year, this is in terms of job opportunity. Every year we can the data said almost 200,000 students graduate from institution of higher learning each year. And amazing and shockingly,
200,000 students are from Malaysia or the globally?
It said here from Michelle Low, I think from Malaysia. No, this is global,
alright.
Yes, global. But you also have like research in Indonesia also lah, cover also. And then shockingly said that 1/4 of the graduates remain unemployed for 6 months after graduations. So just imagine there is no income, there is no job, there is nothing to do. And these graduates are make up of 35% of the graduate that are employed are the degree holders, which is we or the other person lah in the future. So Islamic finance from the journal say Islamic finance come in the industry to provide one of the solutions to reduce the unemployment rate. So in the journal say in the next 5 years, Islamic finance and banking are needed around 50,000 professional to fulfill the market demand, including Malaysia.
50,000. Wow.
Yes, 50,000 professional. So this is for us, the Islamic finance graduate in the future. It is a good opportunity lah for us. But like I said, for this data is taken before the COVID issues.
Before COVID
Yes.
issue.
So as a graduate myself, even I think the World Bank said that this year is a recession year. But BNM don't declare yet. They said they just forecast about the GDP around negative 0.3% to 0.5%, if I'm not mistaken lah.
Okay.
So, but what I think, we this year will be recession year. So, people like us, like me for if we according to the actual plan, I will graduate in this year.
In this year, right?
But after this COVID issues, so let's see how.
Okay.
And also to the other students lah kan. So what I can say is we have to prepare mentally and physically lah.
Right.
So that's basically the point that why I'm taking Islamic finance.
There's a lot of points that you already share. One of the concern is because of the sharing by your senior during your high school. May I know where is high school is?
My high school.
Yes.
Okay, before this, before I'm going to CFS, I'm pursuing Form 4 to Form 5 in MRSM Jasin, Melaka.
Okay.
And before that, Form 1 to Form 3 to MRSM Tumpat lah, Kelantan.
So the senior that I share with you regarding the Islamic finance are from your school.
Yes, from my school. He's a super senior.
That's great actually. You know, when we have some knowledge or some opportunity regarding anything, but we need to share something. Same goes to the Islamic finance. Yeah, as you said about the data, the potential. It is not about the current situation, like this recession. But in the future, the Islamic finance still a demand. All right, there's a few questions. All right, guys, if you have any question want to ask to our brother Khaziq, you just may comment below, and we will read. Hello, Khaziq.
Okay. Yes.
Okay. Is there any question that they asked recently?
I'm also looking for questions.
Right. We have currently 37 friends who are joined. So maybe the comment is already gone. I try to scroll down it first.
Okay.
All right. Some of your friends taking Islamic finance because of you.
Oh wow!
Yeah,
they're teasing you.
All right. So next, okay, Irfan Uthman. He asked, what are your future plans? Maybe after a degree, what is your plan? Hello? Okay, wait a minute. There is some technical problem.
Hear me? Hello?
Okay.
You hear me right?
All right.
Okay. So my future plan for now, after graduated, at first I want to pursue my study in master and PhD.
Okay.
But after seeking few advice from the seniors and so on, so I have made up my mind to, firstly I want to search for a job lah.
All right.
So I'm targeting few investment institutions or banking institutions, depends on the rezeki.
Okay.
And then after that, I plan to work about 2 or 3 years.
Okay.
And then I will pursue my master full time and then PhD. So basically during that 2 or 3 years, I will struggle lah about my financial, my maybe married during that time and so on. So that is the briefly
You already
briefly my
have a
plan.
partner right now?
Allah, unemployed.
We keep the question first, all right? Okay, that's the question from Zuno. He asked which...
Zuno.
Zuno asked which finance sector did you interest more, in which sector? Is there investment or Islamic fund?
For me, I'm more to investment and property lah. Because actually my what we say my pendedahan bahasa Inggeris apa?
Exposure.
Yes, thank you. Okay, my exposure in investment and financial itself has been through since my form 3, 15 years old. So basically, during that time I read Rich Dad and Poor Dad book, if you know.
Oh, yeah. That's a great book actually.
But that book is given by my brother, and he forced me to read it. So I read it, and I think one of the most important point is about the 4 quadrants, right?
Yes, that's right.
Firstly the self-employed.
Employer. Yes, employer.
Firstly employer, self-employed, business owner, and investor. The last part. So basically, I think this book, if you want to be investor or business owner, this book is one of the top references. So
Rich Dad Poor Dad.
Yeah, I'm more to investment.
The book is Rich Dad Poor Dad by Robert T. Kiyosaki, isn't it?
Yes.
Yeah.
Rich Dad Poor Dad.
Right, that's good. Okay, so investment. All right, there's another question. I try to. Sorry. How to compete in digital banking industry now where everything are digitalized and lesser people are needed? How to compete? How to compete?
How to compete?
In digital banking industry. Can you get? There's from Fadilah Suhaimi. There's Madam Fadilah, is it?
Madam.
Okay.
Madam Fadilah. Okay.
Madam Fadilah. Dia bagi soalan yang padu.
Okay. So Madam asks how to compete in this digital era lah, basically kan?
Yeah, in your opinion maybe.
Okay. I may not the one who are really into the industry yet, so I will answer it based on my whole observation. So basically, I think the technology nowadays are really fast. That is the thing and facts that we have to admit. So the one who left behind will be left behind forever. If we see, even in the banking industry, we see the famous one like before this Kodak in the photography industry, right?
Okay.
And then nowadays, few other brands are top than them. So I'm not sure if Kodak still exists or not. But that's the fact and reality now. So to compete in this industry, the banking itself have to offer something that the other bank doesn't have. If in business we can say USP, unique selling proposition. Because before this, if you see in the Twitter, there was viral about CIMB and so on, like their security system easily to crash, their money being stolen and something like that, right? Okay. So in this digital era, if this issue happens, it will highly affect your business. Even after the issue, a lot of people are getting rid of their money from CIMB, and they choose another place like Mbank, Maybank, and so on. Even I'm using Maybank, so I think Maybank is one of the convenience banking apps lah for now. How they structure their apps, how easy we can touch one part to another part. So in this digital marketing, digital era, you have to invest more on that, because I think maybe after 10 or 20 years,
Yes.
we only see like the main bank only, maybe. Because the transaction is all online.
Yes.
Even during this COVID, some researchers said because of this COVID, the online business and platform will go up after this.
I see.
If you can see the trend in Malaysia, kan? In Malaysia, a lot of people buying online. JNT cannot handle anymore, and so on. So there is the trend that we increase after this.
Yeah, I agree with your statement regarding the Maybank, because one thing that I will call it, I perasan what it is. Maybank pioneer. Yeah, what I noticed, Maybank pioneer in QR Pay before this. Yeah, and then after that, there's a lot of Great Pay. They follow the trend. All right, so there is another question from Hakimi Zarini. How far graduate Islamic finance student can go in the job market?
How far in the job market? Okay. Actually, this field or industry is really big. So, how because before we say that, okay, Islamic finance, we are getting into Islamic finance, and we just say that we can only be that financial manager and so on. So just a few part. No, actually there's a lot bigger than that. Even okay. The journal that I refer before this,
alright,
they say that basically in Islamic finance we have three main areas. First one is corporate finance, and then investment, and then financial derivatives. So maybe there is a few other areas, but this is the area that emphasized by the journal.
Okay.
And then they say that among the 50,000 professional that being needed by the industry that I said before, few of them is, okay, I will read one by one. The position offered is such as financial manager, financial controller, credit manager, cash manager, financial and branch manager, financial analyst, and the list is go on and go on.
Yeah.
So basically, this is for financial. We don't go yet to the investment part and so on.
I see. I think there's a lot of job markets actually.
Yes, even wakaf institution, right? Zakat institution.
Finance, the job market, actually there's a huge job market where we can go after this. So next question from Mochi Mouth. Okay. She asking, I think she okay, she asking about either degree in Islamic finance or degree in economic, majoring in Islamic finance. Which one is more encouraged? Yeah, I can say encourage. Which one you prefer most?
Okay, firstly, okay, I have no. Firstly, I don't have. I think I don't have any friends like taking economics and minor in Islamic finance, right? Or finance.
Islamic finance.
Islamic finance. So basically, I'm not sure about it, but I can say is what I experienced me myself.
All right.
When we are in the Islamic finance department, we go very detailed in the Islamic finance concept.
Okay.
But the detail are not as detailed as master and PhD lah, of course, kan?
Yes. Agreed.
But we can say that I think if in Islamic finance we only learn economic subject like one or two economic subject. We have introduction to macro, micro, FIE. I think three or four, something like that. So it is not quite detailed if you compare to people who major in economics. So what I can say here is you must find your passions, and you must also find the data that you want, what you want to be in the future. Because I can say nothing that you must be in finance, you must be in economics. I can say like that.
Okay.
Because at the end, you yourself will know.
Okay, so, you mentioned about what do you want to be in the future. All right, a question.
All right.
What do you see yourself in 5 years ahead?
Okay. I think the question is like similar to Abang Irfan tadi kan. Okay, so basically, just to recap lah. Basically,
Hello.
testing dengar. You hear me?
Okay, yeah, that's
Okay.
good.
Okay, so 5 years ahead, if we count from this year, 20 to 25 lah, I can say.
Yes.
20 to 25. So after I graduated by this year, inshallah,
All right.
we pray that this COVID things
Can be settled in this year.
cure. Yes.
All right.
And then I targeted to work first for the
Alright.
first 2 years, which
Okay.
is in 2021 and 2022.
Mm-hmm.
And I will pursue my master in IIBF.
Okay.
So around 2023 until 2025 or 26 something. And then
Alright.
I will pursue in PhD and any financial certificates lah.
Wow, that's good. I can see your life planning. All right. So,
Thank you.
can we know who is your idol in your life or in Islamic finance? Yeah, your idol. Who's your idol?
Alright. If we say about idol, it's basically that the one who we want to be like, right, in the future.
Yeah.
So I can maybe divide it into few parts. Like of course
Okay.
the life idol is tak lain tak bukan Nabi Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam kan.
Yeah. Sallallahu
And then
alaihi wasallam.
and then also my parents and my family, and the list goes on. So and then we move to the idol in Islamic finance. Few idols that I really want to be is of course I want to be like our lecturers. They are really eager to teach us those subjects, although perangai macam apa semua kan. So this is I think the first idea that I want to be lah. And then the other related figure that I can say is the first one is Dr. Aznan Hassan from
Dr. Aznan
IIBF. He is the former chairman of Securities Commission before this.
Wow.
Securities Commission or SSC, I'm not remember.
Okay.
But currently he is the chairman for Syariah Committee in Maybank lah, and Etika and few other institutions.
Wow.
And then the next one is Dr. Daud Bakar, our president. I learned a lot also from him. Even nowadays he making live video every day. If you see his profile. And then the third one is I can say Dr. Zaharuddin lah.
Dr. Zaharuddin.
Even the earliest intention why I want to pursue in Islamic finance is because of him. Because Dr. Zaharuddin during that time he teach us. He still teaches.
In IIUM?
So after in IUM.
Okay.
So after one semester, I go into the department, the kuliah. He teach the student, but I can manage to be in his class because of Dr. Zaharuddin, right? The quota is easily to finish. And then after that, the second semester he finished his contract with IIUM. So
I see.
Sad lega. But it's okay. So this is my ideal in Islamic finance.
All right. So we come to end of the session, but before that, we have a games. Okay, a games. It's called This or That. Okay, so I will. Okay. Wait a minute. Okay. There's a few questions. You need to choose either one. All right. and you need
Alright.
to as fast as you can. All right, ready?
So how the format this or that?
Yeah, you need to choose. For example,
Okay.
chair or table. Okay, so you need to choose chair, for example, like that.
Oh, I see. Okay.
All right, ready? Yeah.
Ready.
Okay, first
Easy
question.
question lah.
Coffee or tea?
Coffee.
All right. Movie or book?
Book.
Book. Jackie Chan or Brad Pitt?
Jackie Chan.
PKP or RMO?
PKP.
PKP. Alright. Okay, blue or red?
Blue.
Blue. Okay, car or motorcycle?
Motorcycle.
Motorcycle. Okay, last. T-shirt or sweater?
Sweater.
Sweater. All right. So that's it. That's just only the games. Yeah.
I think you want to ask like the controversial things ke?
Oh no. We keep the question for the next session.
Because I can see this game also during Dr. Dok Bakar and Amin Idris. One of the tricky questions.
Yeah.
Amin Idris asked about, do you want to go in politics or not?
I try to avoid that speculation for the time being.
Alright.
Okay. So thank you for our guest speaker for accept this kind of invitation to share with all of us about why Islamic Finance, why he chose this Islamic Finance as his career path. And then
Thank you also for inviting me.
Yeah, on behalf of FFC, welcome. And then on behalf of FFC also, I would like to thank you to all the participants who are just joined the IG Live, Instagram Live, all the lecturers, all the fellow friends. Thank you very much. And inshallah, we still have a few sessions after this. So stay tuned and get the update with our Instagram. And for those who are recently just joined and you miss a few question or a few our sharing, you can go to our official YouTube channel. We will save the video, our live video, and you still can watch in our YouTube channel. All right, that's all. Thank you very much, Brother Khaziq, for being with us. I'm Syed Haimi from FSC. So stay safe, stay at home, and stay healthy. Thank you very much. Assalamualaikum.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi.
Alright.
Macam mana
Okay. Just pangkat.
Oh, pangkat ni. Okay. Alright, terima kasih, Syarif.
Alright.